Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to Varshini Learning Platform. Okay, so this is the Varshini Learning Platform. So here uh, upcoming live class Advanced Java Master Class JDB Servlets JSP. In this course, I'm going to discuss JDBC Servlets and JSP, real-time web application development with the AI-powered coding enablement. Okay, if you are interested, then you can join this live course. Mostly 25th July 2026. uh, live class is going to happen. Okay, now I'm going to discuss part two about Amazon AWS commands, Linux commands. Okay, last part one, we discussed about basic commands, like what is the mk directory and a cp command, and how do we create EC2 instances and all, right? So today also I'm going to create again new instance. Okay, see here, if you click on view running instance, this is my machine learning platform instance currently running on Amazon Web Services. Okay, now, so I don't want to touch this one because it is in production. So that's the reason, I'm going to create a new instance. How do we create a new instance? How do we create a new instance? How do we create a new instance? Okay, I'm going to create one new instance, and after that, hmm, okay, this is the way we can create click on launch instance. Okay, so here Linux commands part 2, Linux commands part 2, name and tags, Linux commands part 2. So here I'm selecting like Amazon Linux AWS only. Okay, and this one T3 micro. Here I am selecting like instance type is T3 micro and a key pair login, right? So I'm going to create a new pair because last time I have created, right, last video. So that one I have deleted. So that is the reason. Linux, it won't. Linux commands. Linux commands. Linux commands. The PIM file is used for OpenSSH, but I am using a putty. So that is the reason like I am selecting PPK, create key pair. It has downloaded. Okay, it has downloaded. And now create security group. Hello SH, I am accepting all HTTPS traffic from the internet and all. Okay, S3 files now, none, 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 none. And click on launch instance. That's it. Okay, now see here. Go here and we'll see. Okay, two instances are there created. One is Linux commands. So this is the one. Still it is in serializing state. Uh, okay, keep on refreshing. It will come to running state. Okay, now here I'm going to connect the instance. This is the one. Once I select this one, right, then going to connect and connect using public IP. Okay, this is the public IP. Connect, establish connection. Okay, connecting. PWD. We are in home EC2 user. Okay, so here also we can do the practice along with like putty also we can connect via putty. Earlier also I connected with putty only, right? So this IP got removed. I used this IP. I used this IP, and here SH right north. I'm browsing the private key. Okay, that's it. Accept EC2 user. Yes, right. This is the EC2 user. EC2 user. Yes, connected. Okay, now we are going to practice here. We are going to practice here file permissions. File permissions we are going to practice. See here, I'm going to create one file, ls-lrt. See here, I don't have anything, right? How can we create the file? Touch command. Do we use touch text dot txt? Okay, text 01, text, otherwise script dot sh, text dot txt. I have created file, and I'm going to see these are the permissions. Easy to user text.txt has these permissions. Okay, so here from here to here it is from here to here it is owner. Okay, owner, and from here to here it is a group. Okay, it is a group, and from here to here it is a others. Okay, just you have to remember, like read is nothing but read r equal to 4. Okay, and as well as write w equal to 2, and execute x equal to 1. You have to remember, see, read permission 4, write permission is 2, execute permission is 1. Okay, so here based on this one, this is the owner, right? Owner has what are the permissions? Read and write permissions. It doesn't have execute permission. Okay, read and write permission means like a 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, 6. And for example, this one, like group permissions. What are the permissions? Read permissions alone. Read permission is nothing but only 4. Okay, same other also read permission, 4. Okay, you remember this one, like we got a confusion, right? So that's the reason, like a read write execute 4 to 1, 4 to 1, 4 to 1. That is not a command, so that's the reason I'm exiting from there. Here uh, the currently read write permission for uh, owner, and group we have only read permission, and the other we have only read permission from here to here. So for example, I want give the execute permission to that text.txt. How can I give the execute permission to that one? Chmod. Okay, chmod, and execute permission means this is the one. Okay, already read write permission is there. Already read write permission is there. I need to provide execute permission for owner. So how can I execute permission? Plus 1 text.txt. Sorry, chmod 755 txt.txt minus lrt. Okay, see here, read write x, read. Sorry, I'm going to delete this one, and again I'm creating a tuch text dot text file I have created, and we'll see what are the permissions currently. Read write read, and chmod 755 text.txt. Now we'll see the permission read write execute. Okay, read write execute for uh, owner, and read execute permission, read and execute permission for group, read and execute permission for others. I want to provide read write execute for all the members. How can I provide? Chmod 777. text.txt. Now we will see read write read write read write. See here, from here to here, read write execute, read write execute, read write execute. Okay, read write execute for uh, owner, read write execute for group, read write execute for others. This is the way we can use the read write permission. You have to remember 4 2 1. 4 is nothing but read write execute. 4 is nothing but read, write is nothing but 2, execute is nothing but 1 1. See here, I used only 6. Used only 6 text.txt. Then what happened? Read write permission only for others. Remaining and all removed. Why? Because a read permission is 4, write permission is 2. So I used only 6. I used only 6. It is applicable for only other. Remaining things and all the permission got removed. Okay. 6 4 I used 6 4. Now see, read write read, there is no nothing. Okay. Now I am going to use 6 4 4. Read write read. Got it right? Read write 6. Okay, now 6 is for owner, 4 is for group, another 4 is for others. Okay, just you have to remember read write execute, then you can able to provide the permissions to the files, as well as same step we can follow for directories also, like my mk directory text. Okay, so here I have created the directory text, right? See here, directory D means directory, RWX it's a owner, read write X permission, and group read execute permission alone, read execute permission alone. Got it right? Now I'm going to move another command, a chown command, change owner command. Chown, change owner command. Currently here EC2 user, EC2 user. Okay, see here EC2 user and user, EC2 user, and group is also EC2 user. Both are EC2 user. So now I'm going to change the owner, like root, root, root. Both I'm changing for directory. Root. I think root. Change owner, changing ownership of text operation not permitted. Sudo chown root root text. Okay, now permission got changed. See here, root permission, it has a root permission, for example, if you are going to delete this one, it won't accept. Remove write protected directory text. Yes, then only it can remove. it is asking it is asking you. Okay, the same thing, text.txt also we can change the uh, owner and group. chown chown root root text.txt, changing ownership of text.txt operation not permitted, because it is expected, root is expected sudo access. So that's the reason. Sudo chown root root text.txt. Okay, now it has a root permission. So inside root permission, right? For example, if I am going to write something inside the with the root permission, something. See here, insert and something I have written, and I'm going to save this file. I'm getting the error. Why? Because this file, this file permission is like a root permission. Okay, it is owned by the root. It is owned by this file is owned by the root. So that is the reason like it won't allow to write or write and save the file. Okay, that is the difference you have to remember. That is the difference. If you are using sudo access vi uh, text.txt, then it can able to write write the file. It can able to write the file and save the file. It can able to write and save the file. Okay, now see here whatever information I have written, right? It has written. Next, user management section. In user management section means like here we have a EC2 user and root users. For example, if I want to create my user, sudo add user user Srini. Okay, I have created, and sudo password sudo that user should have password, right? So how do we create password? passwd, this is the command. Password something, sudo password unknown username madhu yes at 143. Sorry, actually here we have to provide a username. Now it is asking password again. Okay, password all authentication tokens updated successfully. Okay, now if you want to switch that user, then usually switch password. It is asking password. Now see here, I'm in Srini user. Got it right? I am logged in Srini user. So groups, if you want to see the groups, Srini. Okay, Srini. Same way, you can use EC2 user. EC2 user, ADM, wheel, systemd, journal. Okay, these are the groups available for this one. Same way, you can use root user also. Root. Okay, what are the groups available? Now I'm going to delete Srini user. So su EC2 user, we have to move to that one. It is asking password, but I don't have password, right? I don't have password, so that's the reason like I'm exiting from here. Exit, just write exit, then came back to EC2 user now. Okay, now I'm going to delete users. EC2 users. Okay, now I'm going to delete whatever the user is available. Sudo user delete Srini. Now delete it. See, trying to switch to Srini, but user Srini does not exist, or the user entry does not contain all the required fields. Okay, just you have to remember like how do we manage the user management. First of all, you have to use one command that add user. After that, it is set the password to that new user. After that, you can switch to new user and do the operations, and came out from the new user. If you want to delete that user delete command, you can use it. Next, package management. What is the package? Package means like bundle of the classes. Okay, bundle of classes, that is nothing but package, right? So for example, here we have a git is a package. So If you want to install Git in your Linux machine, that time we can use the sudo dnf, sudo dnf install Git. That is the command. So first of all, sudo dnf update. This is the package dnf. Dnf is a dnf update package. Update is a package. Sudo dnf update. Okay, it is installing. Like it is updating, complete everything update. So for example, if you want to install git, install git. Okay, it is installing git. Is this okay? Yes. Okay, see here, it is installing. The same way, if you want install nginx, sudo dnf nginx, sudo dnf install nginx. Okay, unable to find match nginx. ng, sorry, spelling mistake, inx. Okay, yes, it is installing. Okay, this is the package information. Remove package. For example, I don't want to install git. So how do we remove? Sudo dnf remove git. Okay, yes, it has removed. It has removed. Now, next section, I'm going to explain like a system information. For example, if you want to know the system size, like whatever the file size and all, okay, whatever the information about the system, then you can use lscpu. Okay, it will uh, it will tell you enter CPU information. 8 packages. Okay, where I executed the see here architecture. This is the one CPU about the computer, about virtual computer like EC2 instance, right? This the 32-bit, 82, 64-bit, 64. Okay, see here, here. 85 CPU family 6. Mm, okay. This is the information, this information, this information. Okay, this is the information about your instance. Next, free minus h. It is related about memory. It is related. This is the CPU. This information about CPU. lscpu. 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 It will tell about your CPU information. Now, free minus h. This command tell about your memory. Okay, what is the memory? It is a human readable format. Totology 91 total memory size is 912 MI and used 181 MI. Remaining free is 335 MI. Okay, so the same disk hard disk space df minus h. Okay, this is for memory, this is for memory, and this is for disk information about disk information. TMPFS. Okay, see this is the disk information, disk information. And if you want a print date, current date, you can print the date. And a host name. What is the host name? See, this is the one AP South one computer internal. This is the host name currently. And the server uptime. Okay. See here two users 21 minutes. From 21 minutes onwards, the server is up and running. Next, process management. So all running process PS AUX. Okay, when we execute this command, then whatever the process are running currently on particular instance, those process and all it is showing here. Okay, these are the process currently running on this mission. These are the process currently running on this mission. Okay, and monitoring top command. It is a monitoring. What are the services are up and running? System D. Okay, these are the things. Okay, see here. These many services are currently up and running. Okay, these are the major commands in Linux environment. Major commands in Linux environment. See here, top command, what everything it will tell. What is the memory and what are the tasks, what are the running process, what are the sleeping. This information. This is a human readable format. Human readable format. Like most of the company, like in real time also, you can use it. Top command in many places about information. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you.